Hello friends, welcome to Speak Fluent. Let's continue our journey of learning English language with some imperative sentences. So let's begin. Look at the board. Look at the board. Stop talking. Stop talking. Come here. Come here. Give me the book. Give me the book. Hold this for a second. Hold this for a second. Please bring me a glass of water. Please bring me a glass of water. Please close the door behind you. Please close the door behind you. Please lend me a pen. Please lend me a pen. Help me carry this, please. Help me carry this, please. Go down the stairs. Go down the stairs. Take the first left after the park. Take the first left after the park. Turn right at the next intersection. Turn right at the next intersection. Walk straight for 2 blocks. Walk straight for 2 blocks. Open the box carefully. Open the box carefully. Turn the key to unlock the door. Turn the key to unlock the door. Hold the handle tightly. Hold the handle tightly. Stir the soup until it boils. Stir the soup until it boils. Don't run in the hallways. Don't run in the hallways. Keep away from the fire. Keep away from the fire. Mind the gap. Mind the gap. Don't drink and drive. Don't drink and drive. Wear your helmet while biking. Wear your helmet while biking.